My name is Rochelle Garuela Andes, Filipino. I'm 25 years old, single. I have 2 brothers, 1 sister, and I'm second in the family.
Good day to you, Ms. Rochelle. How are you right now?
Sir, madam, I'm fine.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the good attitude is being a responsible, hardworking, and loving to their children, honest and patient.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, to avoid my homesickness is to focus on my work and do all my duties.
So can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of children?
Sir, madam, the proper way of taking care of children is to love them, teach them, and give them a good food, give vitamins, and take a bath every day.
So what if you committed mistakes, what to do?
Sir, madam, if ever I committed a mistake, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to the employer?
Sir, madam, the last promise is to be a responsible, hardworking, and do all my duties, and to promise that I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Ms. Rochelle, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Sir, madam, thank you so much.